In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the exterior front door handle on your Kia Sorento. Located on the outside of the door, let's get started. When we open the passenger side door, we're going to locate this little grommet using a small plastic pry tool. We're going to go ahead and remove it. But now we get access to the 10mm bolt that holds this piece in place. Just get the bolt loose. Now that we have the bolt loose, we're gonna go ahead and remove this piece. Simply open the door handle, get yourself a small pry tool, wedge it in between here, being very careful not to break anything. Go ahead and slide this piece off. Now that we have this piece off, we're gonna go ahead and grab on the handle and simply slide this way. And now slide it out. And that's how you remove the old one. Now we're ready to install this piece. Simply move the door handle slightly so you can slide it in place and let it go. Now we're ready to get this bolt snug. The torque for this bolt is 4.3 foot-pounds, but in this case, I'm just gonna go ahead and get it snug. That'll be enough. Make sure you reinstall the grommet. And now we want to make sure that the door handles functions. Simply close the door, open it back up, and that's job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.